Wondering how to keep your skin glowing and moisturized during the cold holiday season? Or maybe you're on the hunt for a thoughtful, homemade gift that screams festive cheer. Well, nothing says holiday spirit quite like a DIY holiday-scented body butter. Imagine a rich, creamy body butter that not only nourishes your skin, but also fills your senses with the comforting aroma of the holiday season. It's like wrapping yourself in a warm, festive blanket. Exciting, isn't it? First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need half a cup of shea butter, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and a quarter cup of almond oil. For the holiday scent, you'll need 10 drops of vanilla essential oil, 5 drops of cinnamon essential oil, and 5 drops of clove essential oil. Next, melt the shea butter and coconut oil together in a double boiler. Once they're completely melted, remove them from the heat. Now, add in the almond oil and stir the mixture well. The almond oil adds an extra layer of moisturization that your skin will thank you for. Once the mixture is well combined, let it cool slightly before adding the essential oils. Stir in the vanilla, cinnamon, and clove essential oils. These scents will fill your space with a warm and cozy holiday aroma that's as comforting as your favorite Christmas movie. Now, pop the mixture into the fridge and let it cool until it's solid but still soft enough to whip. This is where the magic happens. Using a hand mixer, whip the mixture until it's light, fluffy, and has the consistency of whipped cream. And voila, you've just created a homemade, holiday-scented body butter that's perfect for the festive season. In summary, this DIY body butter not only moisturizes and nourishes your skin, but also fills your senses with the comforting aroma of the holiday season. And the best part? It's all natural, free from harsh chemicals, and completely customizable. You can experiment with different essential oils to create your own unique holiday scent. So, not only does this body butter make an excellent self-care treat, but it also makes a thoughtful and personalized gift for your loved ones. After all, nothing says I care quite like a homemade gift, especially one that smells like Christmas and keeps your skin glowing all winter long. So go on, get creative, and enjoy the process of crafting this festive body butter. Your skin and your senses will thank you for it.